wants a bigger brain. Me, for example, schizophrenia is not just an adult disease. It may appear at any age. For example, it may be a child's schizophrenia too, and it's very difficult to diagnose. We know that schizophrenia is a mental disease, so where we should search? In a brain. This is Amy. It's not normally that I'm carrying the babies in the carry bags, but I didn't stand her devilish smile. Just look at it. Disgusting. But how we can check that this baby will have schizophrenia? Well, the option one, we should look in the brain, yeah? So option one is... But frankly, the parents probably will not agree for that. So what we can do is to take the baby for an MRI scan. The MRI the magnetic field will go through the body, and we will receive a pretty images of the soft tissues like a brain. And then we will compare with the control brain. And if she is schizophrenic, you will see several changes, like anatomical changes, something is bigger or something is smaller, or activity changes. And by this, and apparently, what's interesting, the boys with the bigger brains are more likely to develop schizophrenia. So not everything should be big in the brain. But no, should we cure every disease? Imagine now that everyone looks same. Something like this. We are perfect society. Everything is perfect, but there is no artist, no scientist, no future Einstein. He had, for example, Asperger's syndrome. So no thanks. I'm artist, I'm scientist, and I hope somehow to be next Einstein. If not, I might be happy with the Nobel Prize. But I want to survive. Thank you.